Good morning everyone. We are at the Seljandsfoss. I'm probably butchering it, but that's kind of the name for it. And it's a beautiful waterfalls here. As you can see, huge drop, but it is awfully cold. It's chilly and windy, so that's why I gotta have the hoodie on. But you can see the nature here in Iceland. It's a beautiful mountain, and it's got some other waterfalls there too, much smaller, but this is the big one here. You can actually walk behind it. This kind of reminds me of the waterfalls in Portland, Oregon, where you can also walk behind. So we get the experience of walking behind here. So we'll also take a picture here, asking somebody to take it. There you go. Oh, you gotta watch the path here. It's kind of slippery. Whoa. Such huge force. Enormous. I'm gonna... So much force. The water is just coming from up there and flowing into beautiful creek. Amazing. Oh, there you go.
We do it again. That's cool.
You're doing the work for the horse.
Yeah.
Very nice. I always wanted to come and take the horses. This is the best spot. So cool. Do you mind holding it for me for a second?
Of course.
I'm recording right now. Yeah. Look at these horses. They are beautiful. Very peaceful, very peaceful. I think it's expecting some grass from me, right? They all have some S on them, right? Must be some farmers owning them, right? Look at this beautiful sight. Skogafoss is the name of the waterfall. As you can see, we'll go closer and take more. But right now it's beautiful. The wind is not terrible like the other waterfall that we saw earlier. You can also, looks like, climb up. Might as well climb up, right? But this hill right here is amazing. It's fantastic. Hello everyone, we are at Skogafoss, another waterfall, as you can see over there, but we are climbing it, so it's not so bad. And then, but look at this, this is Iceland for you. Fantastic. I think as I start driving more south, it gets prettier and prettier, so it'll have you more. As we are climbing up, you can see on this side of the waterfall plenty of horses and lamb grazing as much grass as they want. And then you have some farmhouses, hotels behind you. and lots of tourists. This is like the busiest season, so plenty of tourists here. Ascending and descending, so it's not so bad. Yeah, it's just a climb of about 5 minutes. So I am huffing and puffing. Good exercise. Look at the beautiful waterfall from the top, and the mountain here, and the sceneries everywhere. You can see the birds flying. Thought they were puffins, they are not puffins, they are some other birds. Beautiful, amazingly beautiful here. You can see the river flowing, and then it drops into that giant waterfall. Beautiful giant waterfall that we saw earlier, and then you have the backdrop of this beautiful mountain here, and I don't know if you can see, I don't think you can see the waterfall from here, maybe further from down there, but I will get you there in a second, I promise. But hopefully you are enjoying the views and the landscapes of Iceland. One thing I have to tell you, you better have a lot of money to come here. It's very expensive. It is not cheap, so be prepared if you're coming here, otherwise don't regret it later. Okay, so here what I promised, right there, the giant drop of that waterfall flowing down with all the mist coming up there. You can see somebody standing, and then it flows into the river and all those meadows, the houses, and then the beautiful mountain. Sorry. Gives you time to breathe, right? Yes. Look at this beautiful lambs here. Very quiet, peaceful. No care for the world, just grazing. And then the horses there, and then the sea of people climbing to see the waterfall, which is over there behind the mountains, which you can't see. So hey, there you are.
You're so cute.
Yeah. One second.